myself, I won't care.
Morning, guys. I have biology and photography this morning, and I am not looking forward to either because we have an assessment, aka exam, today, and I just know I'm gonna bomb it. So I'm looking at the study guide. I'm like, I don't remember any of this, so I'm really stressing out, and it sucks. And then photography, I'm the photographer for the class today, so I have to take the photographs for the blog. I'm not happy about that either, because I'm definitely the worst student in that class. So today's not going to be fun, but we'll just have to try to stay positive and see how it goes. So let's try to have a good morning.
For us not to park.
We're going to the post office!
Hey. How you doing?
Oh my, okay. Do 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 do. I'll be sad if it's not Christy. Ah, they are open. Huzzah! Good morning.
Kind of, but that's okay.
Is it big, little?
Kate got a package. Kate got a package. Kate got a package. Hey, 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 hey. What is it, Kate?
A puppy!
Pretty sure they don't send puppies to the post office. It's a bright orange hoodie. Or not orange, yellow. I know my colors. Oh my. It's a love pink hoodie, but it's not pink.
No.
Yes, I got it right
It's
now.
Victoria's Secret. It's a lot bigger than I thought. What size did I order?
It'll probably shrink in the wash.
That's a good point. It will. Yay!
Hey guys, so I had my biology exam this morning, and I already know I really did not do well on it, but I don't know, I'm just just really frustrated with myself. Because I know all of my teachers are trying really hard. Wow, it's really bright. I know all my teachers are trying really hard to help me out and stuff, and I'm just still like just bombing things, and I'm really trying. There are just some times you just wonder if maybe you're really meant for college, whether college is just too fast-paced for you and too challenging, because I don't want to put myself in so much debt just to fail. So, but now I'm just waiting for photography class to start. I'm the photographer for today's blog for the photography class, so I'm really nervous because I'm a shitty photographer, and I know I'm a shitty photographer. So I think my blog post will be just more about like having a better understanding of how complicated it is to be a photographer, because before I used to think it was just something that you just point and click, and I just have such a more realistic understanding of it now and a better appreciation for people that do it. So, yeah. Alright, I'll probably talk to you guys more after the class. I'm just not in a good frame of mind right now. So, it's about 3 o'clock right now. We're just taking a quick 15-minute break. I'm still in photography class, so I'm actually having a better time with this class than the other ones. I think I enjoy playing around with editing the photos better than I do taking them. So, it's so warm out. It's got to be like 60 degrees. But, of course, I'm still wearing my beanie. Don't ask me why. It's a really comfortable beanie, and I'm really happy that my sister bought it for my birthday. So, just enjoying the sunshine. Oh. How are you supposed to go back to class when it's always so nice out? Oh boy. Hey guys, so I am off to creative writing. Sorry, everything is thawing out now, so it's getting really sketchy walking through the cedar swamp because you can slip wicked easily. Let's see. Kate's really not feeling well, so she's not coming. And then we have ecology this afternoon. So I'm hoping we get to go outside, but it's our short ecology day, so we'll see. Okay. Oh, there's a chicken. Oh, it went away. There was a chickadee over there. I see it, but you guys won't be able to see it. I'm going to shut this off because it's really hard to walk on awkward surfaces and vlog at the same time. So I'll vlog once I get up to Upper Campus. There's a chickadee I keep walking up to. I want to see if I can get it. It was over here. Oh, where'd it go? So, I don't think I filmed this, but this is the bridge leading out of the cedar swamp. Look, there's green things. Oh, it's so exciting. Okay. So, I wanted to catch the chickadees, but they're wicked elusive. I'm thinking that black-capped chickadees are probably one of my favorite birds besides barn owls. So, lately I've been thinking about getting more into birds, but we'll have to see. When I was growing up, I was really into reptiles, which none of my family could understand because none of them are really that big of a fan of reptiles. So, but I mean, from what I understand, birds and reptiles share common ancestors, so. Oh, I just want to be outside all day. I hate that we have classes inside.
Be sexy. Oh, I'm on camera.
How do you feel about living in Merlin?
I just want a single, I don't care. Good morning, guys. Say good morning.
Oh, shit!
Good morning! Dzień dobry! Cześć! Witam!
Okay.
So we are chopping up an apple into really teeny tiny pieces because we're supposed to put things in this flask up there and blow up a balloon, which we're going to tie to the top of the flask. And the balloon is in my pocket because we only have one because Morgan couldn't find any because Stowe is uppity. And this is our balloon, it's purple.
That was Heather's choice.
Yes, I needed the purple balloon. More on this story as it develops.
Gold star, my heart to yours. That's it.
I'm willing to sacrifice that gold star because I'm just very curious at what is going to happen with this.
I mean, I don't know. Losers can be winners too.
That is true.
Yeah, because you'd have to get it.
Second place is the first loser.
You are recording.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you
Oh,
are.
shit.
Are you good?
Here we go. We have a Erlenmeyer flask full of apple cider vinegar and extra apples for funsies. We're adding baking soda and oh shit. And
Okay.
we're adding baking soda and yeast. And that would have been really good, but we can't get the balloon on. Oh, this is so much more fun watching it through a screen than actually watching it.
What do you guys do?
That's okay. It would have been.
Baking soda and yeast.
I knew it was gonna see.
Oh, that was so great. Epic failure.
What if it breaks?
Oh, not on my back.
Epic
I'm gonna go
failure.
get paper towels. So this is what we were trying to do, but failed miserably at it.
Isolated nicotine.
Emma and Carly did a beautiful job.
You took it from the tobacco.
Marco,
Polo!
you're not who I'm Marcoing.
What?
Hi.
Would you just take a picture of me?
No, this is video.
What?
Apparently to me and everyone else turned around except for me.
Hey, I got an itch.
Good thing my boot was there.
Oh, it's really dark, but there's a bird up here. It's like right up on, there it is. Yeah?
Did he give any, like, instructions on, like...
Talked him on Instagram. Big time.
Okay, I'm recording right now, so.
What?
So what we're doing is we're trying to do our photography homework, and we need to get 2 shots of bird's eye view and 2 shots of worm eye view. Bird's eye view.
Have you been recording?
Not. I just started.
Y'all get in the picture.
I will come up there.
Don't, please.
But the viewers love you.
How many people do you watch your vlogs?
Like
But you
30.
know who doesn't love me? Potential employers.
Oh.
And the college.
So a bird's eye view is when you're looking down at your object that you're trying to photograph. So if Heather is photographing Kate and
It's called your subject.
your subject, thank you.
Act like y'all like each other. God.
So we need 2 photos of those. And then we need 2 photos of the worm's eye view, which is when you're either at ground level photographing your subject or looking up at your subject. Oh look, there's a Jared.
Oh, yay. Another. Another.
Okay, I'm done now.
You know of.
No love.
Actually, those that garden and use what's called mood dew are playing with human shit.
That's gross.
Or gray water, yeah.
Gray water's not shit.
Oh,
It
Leonard.
comes from the sink,
And the bathtub and the washing machine.
but not from the toilet.
Nope, not from the toilet.
That's compost.
Is that black water or is that, I don't know.
That shit.
Yeah. That's
Come here. Oh. Say hi. Nope. Oh. Griffin. She'll be right back. Yeah. Yeah.
Row of just deep mud and just right over the handlebars. There's like no suspension on that bike right there.
Yeah.
What if you know under a bridge?
My bike with no handlebars.
So try to do, a left to right or a right to left across the landscape.
So Adam thinks he found a hawk. We're not sure.
To count them and know that we're not counting the wrong ones or.
Yeah, so do you see how that one's pushing the other one? Yeah. That means that they've paired off, so it's trying to protect its female. So to count, the easiest way is to go from one direction to the next. Recognize that there will be some margin for error, and we'll talk about.
They're gonna drown.
Yeah.
There's 2 of them right there. Look, they're all going to die. Oh, come here.
Are you gonna save all the wormies?
Yeah.
Oh.
Might end up being a fish. It has a really big head. Worms.
I think I'll prevent it in the spring, for sure.